Hello again guys and welcome back to my channel. I am ysay and I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest vlogs. So for today's video, we are here at Edmonton International Raceway and experiencing first ever the NASCAR show. And yes, guys, we are so fortunate enough to watch this show, NASCAR show, for free. Yes, you heard it right. It's for free. We got our free tickets and we are so amazed to watch these beautiful racing cars racing and just enjoying the speed and the loudness of the racetrack. And yes, one more thing. If you're gonna watch this show, this is an open field, so wear your hats, sunglasses, sunscreens, and bring more water to keep you hydrated and just enjoy the show. Edmonton International Raceway is a 1/4 mile paved oval auto racing facility located outside Wetaskiwin, Alberta, Canada, approximately 50 kilometers south of Edmonton. The track is the first in Alberta to be sanctioned by NASCAR and hosts races in the NASCAR Advanced Auto Parts Weekly Series. It hosted its first NASCAR PT Series race in 2014. Edmonton International Raceway, or EIR, in Wetaskiwin is Alberta's only NASCAR-sanctioned stock rock racetrack, offering exciting family entertainment on Saturday nights from mid-May to mid-September. EIR is home to Western Canada's only stock car test drive experience and race school programs where you can drive a real race car on a real NASCAR track. EIR also offers corporate and birthday party packages for everyone. Each Saturday night features exciting race action for the entire family, including NASCAR Superstocks, IMCA Modifieds, Heat to Pass, Race a Wreck Enduro races, and many more classes, including Stocker Racing, the only track in Canada to host this class. Weekly Saturday races, tickets available online. But for now, because it's pandemic, I think it's closed. Feel your need for speed and feel the screaming heat of highly tuned racing machines.
Kamera nih, kamera. Ya. Tanawa ang sequence oh. Di ba pinakapaspas ganina tong may star na ito? O siya ang una. Ato, to.
89.
Ato.
97 mo na. Ano na number ba? Oh, 92. Ako lagi na sa ano. 83.
Asa?
92. Ay, 92 man lagi sa. Mali.
Unsa, dito mo nasa butang.
Ato, 92. Fourth man siya. Ano naman lagi awa ka sa.
Dili man na niya number. Kanang fourth nga. Ibig sabihin na 15 kayo ng ito, ng violet ko ha. 51.
Ano yan? So, kailangan number ko. At kapal dito. Nagkuha na. O pag ulit ang nila gahapon. Humiling na siya po.
And guys, thank you for watching. This is all for our video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. And if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell to keep you updated. Keep safe, take care, and see you. Bye!